My name is Suzette Jarvis, and this meditation is called Coming Home to Yourself. It's been created to help you reconnect with your inner peace, to release the need for outside validation, and to remember that the love, acceptance, and calm that you've been seeking have always lived within you. As you listen, just allow yourself to fully relax, to release and let go of everything that you've been holding on to today. Find yourself a quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and give yourself permission to simply just be. This is your time to return to stillness, to rest in your own energy, and to remember who you are beneath all that noise, whole, worthy, and at peace. When you're ready, let's begin. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop, your face soften, and your chest expand gently. Again, inhale calm and exhale any tension you're holding on to. Just feel your body melting into stillness. You are safe here. You are supported. With your next breath, just imagine a golden light gently wrapping all around your body. A light that feels warm, peaceful, and full of love. This light is your own energy, reminding you that peace is not something that you have to search for. It already lives within you. Every breath draws you deeper inward into the sanctuary of your own being. You can feel the world around you simply soften. Sounds fading, your thoughts are slowing, and your mind is becoming still. Let yourself arrive here, fully, completely, without needing to be anywhere else. Now, imagine that you are standing on a peaceful path surrounded by beautiful tall trees. There's a soft breeze gently brushing your skin. The air smells of fresh earth and gentle rain. With every breath, you take a step forward, and each step feels lighter than the one before. You are walking away from all the noise, the opinions, the expectations and the judgments of others. Behind you, the need for approval fades into silence. The old stories that said you were not enough dissolve like mist in the morning sun. As you walk, whisper to yourself, I release the need for validation. I honor my truth. I am safe within myself. Just pause here for a few breaths and allow those words to settle deep into your heart. Now, gently place one hand over your heart and the other one over your belly, and feel the rhythm of your breath moving beneath your palms, steady, calm, and alive. This rhythm is your center. This is where your peace begins. It doesn't come from an apology or another's approval. It comes from this quiet place that is within you. Breathe softly into your heart and imagine this golden glow expanding outward, warming your chest, your shoulders, your arms, spreading throughout your whole body, all the way down to your toes and all the way up to your crown. This is the light of self-acceptance, your reminder that you are whole. Just stay here for a moment, breathing in this warm golden light, and let it whisper, I am enough, exactly as I am. As you breathe, just imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. They carry away all the old energy that you no longer need. Let go of the disappointment of not receiving the love that you deserved. Let go of the craving for others to see or understand you. Let go of the moments that you felt unseen or unworthy. The earth beneath you absorbs and transforms all that pain, turning it into light, growth, and strength. Now breathe deeply, and with each exhale, just feel yourself becoming lighter, more grounded, more whole. Now, see yourself standing tall beneath the canopy of light. This is your sacred space, your home within. The golden light shines brighter around you, and you feel it pulsing with your own energy, powerful yet peaceful. In this space, say silently or aloud, I no longer shrink to make others comfortable. I no longer chase what is not aligned with my peace. I am free to be fully, authentically me. Take a long, slow breath. Feel that truth filling every cell in your body. You are not the person you once were. You have come home to yourself. Now find a quiet place within your heart, a space that feels like home. You might see it as a soft room filled with warm light, or a peaceful meadow kissed by the sun. Here, solitude does not mean loneliness. It is a sacred stillness where your spirit recalibrates. In this silence, feel how safe it is to just be. No expectations, no pressure, no pretending. Just you, whole, radiant, enough. Breathe here for a while. Let yourself feel the peace of being your own source of love. From this stillness, begin to sense the edges of your energy, like a soft golden aura surrounding your entire body. These are your healthy boundaries, not walls, but gentle declarations of self-respect. They protect your peace, your time, and your energy. They allow love in without losing yourself. Whisper quietly, I choose relationships that honor my peace. My boundaries are acts of love, not rejection. Pause, breathe, and feel that empowerment settle deeply within you. Now imagine the golden light of your heart expanding beyond your body. It fills the space around you with warmth and compassion. You realize that love isn't something you have to earn. It is something you become when you choose yourself. See this love flowing through your hands, your words, your thoughts, your energy. It touches everything and everyone around you effortlessly. When you stand in your own light, you don't chase, you attract. You don't fear losing people because you've already found yourself. Pause and breathe in that freedom. You have come home. Now bring your attention gently back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the rhythm of your breath moving in and out. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back into the present moment. Just take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine releasing the last remnants of doubt or need for validation. You are whole. You are loved. You are home. You can gently say to yourself these following affirmations. I am my own source of peace. I am worthy of love simply by being. I honor my truth and I trust my path. I am enough exactly as I am.